Morning guys, it's August 12th, 2022. This one here I got a call from a guy. He just bought this house and he wants me to go by and make sure his AC and his heat's working okay. So he says everything seems to be okay, but he just wants to have it checked. He's talking about upgrading also is what he said on the phone. So we'll see when we get over there. If it's still working, a lot of times I'll, tell the guy to leave it alone, but unless he's got money burning his hole in his pocket. Hey, how old is he?
Oh, he's probably 20 or so.
He looks a little crusty looking, doesn't he?
Yeah, he picks his feathers a little bit. That's
Oh,
all
is he?
that is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Boy, he's got eyes like an old girlfriend of mine. That's funny. Yeah, she's buried right down in the mire. Crazy. Buried in the mire. Look at that shit, huh? I mean, that's quite a bit.
Yeah, I can get that out.
Well, you want me to check the charge?
Yeah, sure. Good idea.
Yeah, the guy used to call himself Casanova. Self-proclaimed ladies man.
Yeah, I think he got a little bit nutty in his old age.
Did he?
There's a lot of strange things around.
You got nutty?
Yeah, like the air conditioner buried in the gravel.
Wow, look at this shit. I mean, fucking... That's really bad, guys. Still running. You gotta clean this shit out, though.
Yeah.
If not, what's gonna happen is it's gonna rot it, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, you don't pull that moisture down there.
It's been cooling okay, right?
Yes. Yes, it seems to work fine. You know, it makes a lot of racket.
If it was me, I'd clean this thing up, get this shit all cleaned out. Look at it. I mean, it's down in there a good couple inches.
Yeah, that's it.
So Casanova got nutty in his old age, huh?
I think so.
Probably too many crazy broads. Buried in the mire. Yeah, you can see the pad way down in there.
Yeah. Well, you want to get a shovel?
I just want to check the charge, but what I'm saying is, you could probably do, as long as you lift it up easily, you could lift it and put it up on the blocks. But you don't want to blow the line out because you got to be careful.
Yeah. Yeah.
See the refrigerant line?
Yeah, sure. I see what you mean. I got a bunch of bricks lying out.
I mean, if you lift it up slowly, you can put some bricks under it. You got bricks?
Yep.
You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll go get some.
Get a shovel and some bricks and we'll try it. mean, this thing's down in the fucking mire. Fucking dumb. Buried a good couple inches in there. We could lift it and put some bricks under it. We're gonna have to shovel it all out. Might blow the fucking charge. Might lose the charge, that's the only problem. Whoa! Something's leaking here. Well, that's the condensate line.
Yeah.
Kind of queer. All right, so you want to take a chance by lifting this thing up, right?
Okay.
You're taking a chance here.
Yeah, I understand, but
Right.
I think we do one corner at a time.
I think we might be okay,
Be
but
very
you want to
gentle.
take. I'm gonna pick it.
Okay, and I'll stick it.
I'll tell you what. Why don't you pick it and I'll put the bricks
All
under
right,
it.
that's better.
That's probably a better idea.
I'm not so good on
Now,
down on my
listen,
knees
listen to
and
me.
stuff. Yeah.
When you pick it, you gotta go easy
Yeah.
because.
I know.
Hang on. We gotta go easily, because if we go in a little bit more with the shovel.
Yeah.
Okay, try that. Okay. Hang on a minute.
That's a start. Yep.
We're gonna go some more, and I'm gonna get some bricks, and then we're gonna do the other side. All right, go ahead. There's another lip, but I think that might be okay like that. Or you want to try to go up some more? There's quite a bit. It's quite a bit more we could go up.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead. Well, maybe not. Let's go. Let's just go with that amount now.
Okay.
All right, put it down. Put it down. And we'll do the other side, and then we
Okay.
maybe you can lift it some more.
Yeah. All right.
Do a little bit at a time here.
Yep.
Because it don't look like he's got a solid base under there. Just grab it by that cage there. All right, put it down. Let's see. I mean, it's better than it was.
Yep. Now look, I can get the rest of this crap so it won't fall back in there.
I mean, I think that's doable there, right?
Yep.
I mean, it's better than it was. It's up.
Uh-huh.
Then I want you to hit it with a garden hose.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep. I got one right around the corner here.
Well, you don't want to bury the flipping thing in the mire like that.
Nope.
Crazy shit.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, at least that's doable. It's not.
Yeah. That's not bad.
I don't think it's bad like that.
A lot better than it was.
Yeah, a lot better than being stuck in the flipping mire.
I guess we didn't break anything.
Well, no, I didn't. You would have heard it hissing. That would have been a I told you moment. All right, so let's turn it on and we'll check the charge on it.
All right.
So what I want you to do is get a garden hose and... You got a garden hose?
Yeah, I got one right there.
We could rinse all this shit off of here and... The charge is fine. We lifted it up a good couple inches. In the flipping mire. We did change the filter downstairs, vacuumed it, it was still fine. Yeah, because that's what ruins it, being down in the dirt like that and shit, you know? At least you can hose it down now with this thing. That'd probably get you some more life out of it. I wouldn't change this thing unless it needed to be.
Speaking of that,
Unless you got money to waste. Do you? Most people.
I was kind of wondering about that. It's just that, you know, you can replace your air conditioning with gas.
No, not around here. I think that's a dumb idea. Who told you that? That's electric heat, unless you got, you know, roof panels that you get.
We have solar panels. So our electricity is free totally.
Well, I could see maybe when you upgrade it, put a heat pump in then if you're getting electric for free.
Yep.
But anything all under 30 degrees, I mean, it's not going to really work well. Anything under 40 degrees probably is a good breaking point. Well, what happens is when it gets cold out, you're taking the heat from outside, and there's not a lot of heat outside. They usually say from Washington State, Washington D.C. down south is okay for heat pumps. Anything north of that, not a good idea.
Well, I appreciate that advice.
Well, if you're getting the electric for free, then that's different, right? You're getting the roof panels. At least it's up out of the mire. I mean,
that's what I needed to do.
Lot better. I just got to get the back, but. Yeah, so we got it up on them couple inches up. Cleaned it all out good. And at least it's, you know,
Yeah.
it was like buried at least a couple inches. Took all the stones out of it. You can feel this is coming out nice and warm. Well, obviously I hit it with the hose, so it's kind of a little bit.
Right.
And then this is cold.
Okay.
That's what you want to see.
Yep.
And you want to make sure this never starts to get icy. If this ever gets like icy, that suction line, then you got issues.
Okay.
But we're fine with the charge.
All right.
I'd leave the thing the way it is.
Yep.
Let it go. I mean, if it dies in the future, then you worry about it. But
All right. Yeah, I think you're right.